News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Prashant Kumar Sinha giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Rehabilitation Council of India, Krishi Vigyan Kendra Nevada, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy Hyderabad, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Indian Institute of Technology, Indian School of Mines Dhanbad and Union Public Service Commission. Applications are invited for recruitment to the following regular posts in the Rehabilitation Council of India, New Delhi, a statutory body of the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Divyangjan. 2 posts of Assistant Section Officer on deputation. 1 post of Junior Hindi Translator by direct recruitment, 1 post of Junior Secretariat Assistant by direct recruitment, and 2 posts of multitasking staff by direct recruitment. Applications in the prescribed proforma along with copies of all relevant certificates must reach the Member Secretary Rehabilitation Council of India within 45 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News or Rozgar Samachar, and 60 days for the applicants residing in remote areas, that is Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim, Ladakh Division of Jammu and Kashmir, Lahaul and Spiti District and Pangi Subdivision of Chamba District of Himachal Pradesh, Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep. For details regarding eligibility criteria, qualification, experience, age, reservation, pay scale, etc., and application proforma, log on to Rehabilitation Council of India's website www.rehabcouncil.nic.in. Candidates already working in government or semi-government or autonomous bodies or PSUs or universities, etc., should send their application through proper channel. Vacancy for the post of Junior Hindi Translator published in the Employment News dated 1st to 7th of December 2018 stands cancelled due to administrative reasons. Krishi Vigyan Kendra Nevada, funded by the ICAR New Delhi and managed by reputed society Gram Nirman Mandal, invites applications for filling up of 1 post of Subject Matter Specialist SMS Agriculture Extension. Last date of receipt of applications is 25 days from the date of advertisement in the Employment News. For other details regarding qualifications, please visit website www.kvknevada.org. Applications are invited from eligible civil service officers of the state and central government, including retired officers and other eminent persons from academia, research, etc., for engaging 1 visiting professor for each of the following subjects in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy Hyderabad for a period of 1 year for the subjects of law, teaching methodology and cyber law and cyber security. The details regarding eligibility criteria, remuneration and application form, etc. are available on the Academy's website www.sppnpa.gov.in under Quick Links, Vacancies. The duly filled in applications along with supporting documents should reach the concerned authority on or before the 25th of March 2022. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change is to fill the post of Chairperson for the National Biodiversity Authority, Rashtriya Jaiv Vividhata Pradhikaran. The appointment of chairperson shall be either on deputation basis or by selection from outside the central government. In case the appointment is through deputation, the applicant should not be below the rank of Additional Secretary to the Government of India. The chairperson shall be an eminent person having adequate knowledge and experience in the conservation and sustainable use of biological diversity and in matters relating to equitable sharing of benefits arising out of the use of biological resources. The chairperson shall be Chief Executive of the National Biological Authority and shall exercise such powers and perform such duties as may be prescribed. The chairperson shall hold office as such for a period of 3 years from the date on which he or she enters upon his or her office, but shall be eligible for the reappointment for another another term of 3 years or till he or she attains the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Applications should be submitted online on the Ministry's website www.moef.gov.in within 60 days of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. The Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare invites application for one post of Deputy Commissioner Crops. For complete advertisement, application format, eligibility criteria, that is educational qualification, experience, biodata pro forma, etc., applicants are advised to visit the official website of the department at www.agricoop.nic.in. The application, complete in all respects, should be forwarded through proper channel to the concerned authority within 60 days of publication of the circular in the Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. Applications not forwarded through proper channel or received after the due date, or those received without the requisite certificates and necessary documents, will not be entertained. Applicants have to submit self-attested copies of requisite education qualification certificates along with their application. The Indian Institute of Technology Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad, invites applications for one post of Technical Officer for its Naresh Vashisht Center for Tinkering and Innovation Center. For complete details, visit the Institute's website www.iitism.ac.in. The application is required to be submitted online latest by the 31st of March 2022. Union Public Service Commission invites applications from officers of central government to fill up one vacancy of Manager Grade 2 Canteen in the office of the UPSC on deputation basis. Details like general conditions, eligibility criteria, age limit, pro forma of application form, etc. are available on the website of UPSC, that is www.upsc.gov.in. Interested and eligible officials may send their applications in prescribed pro forma along with copies of the APARs for the past 5 years, duly attested on each page by an officer not below the rank of Under Secretary to the Government of India, cadre clearance and vigilance clearance through proper channel to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of advertisement of this vacancy in the Employment News. It is proposed to fill up 3 vacancies of Staff Car Driver Ordinary Grade in the Office of Union Public Service Commission on deputation or absorption or re-employment basis. Details like general conditions, eligibility criteria, age limit, pro forma of application form, etc. are available on the website of UPSC, that is www.upsc.gov.in. Interested and eligible officials may send their applications in prescribed pro forma along with copies of the APARs for the past 5 years, duly attested on each page by an officer not below the rank of Under Secretary to the Government of India, cadre clearance and vigilance clearance through proper channel to the undersigned within 60 days from the date of advertisement of this vacancy in the Employment News. Applications not forwarded through proper channel. Applications not forwarded through proper channel or those received without the requisite certificates and necessary documents will not be entertained. Information about these vacancies has been published in the Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You are listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on our mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email your opinion about this program at airnsttalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.